Hi guys, welcome to UNM channel. This is your Santosh going to take you through a beginner's course on Excel. Today we are going to see about the different functions which are used in Microsoft Excel. So in today's session we are going to see few functions like count, sum, if, average and SUMIF. Yes, let's get into the session. Let us look into count function. What is this count function? Why it is used? Count function which is used to find out how many numbers which are present in that particular selected range. Let us look how to use this count function. So here count function which has two things. One is just count and the other one is count A. So what is the difference? Count is used to find out only the numeric values. So how many numeric values which are present. So let us see count first. So first type equal to and type count and open the parenthesis bracket and select your range. So here I have selected the range B9 to B15. So close the bracket and press enter. It will find out how many numeric values which are present here. So here we have 4 numeric values. And the next one is count A. So count A which includes the string, that is alphabetical values as well. So press equal to and type count A and open the bracket and select the range. The same range here we are going to select, which is B9 to B15. Close the bracket and press enter. So we'll get totally 7 values which are present in the selected range. Okay, so this is the use of count function. The next function we are going to see is sum function. What is the use of sum function? The sum function which summates the values which are present in that particular range. So let us look at how to perform the sum function. So press equal to, type sum and open the parenthesis bracket, and here we are going to find out the summation for the range F9 to F12. So select the range, close the bracket and press enter so that we can find out the summation of the values which are in the cells between F9 to F12. So the summation is 100 and we can do it for the entire row as well. So how can we do it for the entire row? So press equal to and type sum. So here I'm going to find out the summation of the entire row, the row number 16. So what I need to do is type 16 colon 16 and close the parenthesis bracket so that I can find out the summation of the entire row. The same I can do it for the entire column as well. So let us do it. So press equal to and type sum, open the bracket. So I want to do it for the column D. So what I need to do is type D colon D and close the bracket so that I can find out the summation of the entire values in the column. So this is how we can perform sum function. The next one is if statement. If statement is a conditional statement. How does this conditional statement works? Let us see with a small example. So here we have a student's marks. So let us look at how the conditional statement works here. So here when you get more than 50 marks or equal to 50 marks, the condition is said to be pass. If it is less than 50 marks, it is said to be fail. So let us perform how this if statement works. So press equal to, type if and open the parenthesis bracket, and first we need to give the logical test. So type the cell value and the logical test should be greater than or equal to 50. If the logical test is true, the result should be pass. So the pass, you can give it in a double quote and press enter, and the logical test is fail, the value should be fail. So open the double quotes and type fail and close the double quotes and close the parenthesis bracket as well. So type enter. If the value is more than or equal to 50, the result is pass. So I need to do it for the enter values. So till Harshiv, I'll drag the values so that formulas so that the test results that we can find out. So here we can see that if it is less than 50, the result is fail. So this is how a if statement works. The next one what we are going to see is average function. So let us see how this average function works. So here we are going to do one more function with this average, so which is large function. So we are going to find out the first three large number among this particular range, and we are going to find out the average of those three large numbers. Okay, so let us see how we are going to perform this function. So what you need to do here is first type equal to, type average, and open the parenthesis bracket, and we are going to perform one more function, so that is large. So open the parenthesis bracket again, so and we need to give the array that is nothing but the range of cells where we are going to find out the large numbers. So here we are going to find out the first three large numbers. So open the flower bracket, type 1 comma 2 comma 3, because we are going to find the first three large numbers. So close the parenthesis two times. So what it does is it finds out the first three large numbers, so which is 20, 20 and 15. So and it finds out the summation and divide that with 3, so that we'll get an average of 18.33. So this is how an average function works with a large function. Now let us look at the SUMIF function. What is the use of SUMIF function? Say for example, here we have different values for circles and triangles and rectangles. So here we have three circles, circle 11, circle 3 and circle 2. I just want to find out the summation of all the circles alone. So how can I do that? I can do it simply by using SUMIF function. So this is again summating based on a certain condition. So how can I perform this function? So let us see. Press equal to and type sum if, open the parenthesis bracket, and I need to give the range. So here I need to select the value as well as I need to select which circle or rectangle all it belongs to. So type comma, and you have to set the criteria. So here the criteria that I need to set is I need to find out the circles. So circle 2, 3 and 11 I have to find. So in the double quote what I do is I type circle. So and I press question mark. Why I press question mark is it should match exactly one character. So it should match exactly one character, which is circle in circle 2, circle 3 and circle 11. So that's why I'm giving question mark, and close the double quotes, press comma, and the next one is we need to set the sum range. So open the parenthesis bracket and select this sum range values and close the parenthesis two times and press enter, so that I can find out the sum of the circles alone, which is 25, 7 and 10, which is going to be 32. So this is how I can perform SUMIF function. So that's it for today's session. See you with another session on functions. See you with another session on functions. Until then, bye from Santosh. Take care.
If you are interested in our video, press the like button. To see more of our videos, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get further notification of our videos.